My name is Carlos Daniel Hurtado Hurtado. I am going to talk about my daily routine and emotion. I feel from the moment I wake to bed until I reward. Every day, I feel angry, I do alarm. Right now, I raining, I am feeling annoyed. When it's taking a shower, the water comes very cold. After waiting dries and leaving John, I feel happy. When I arrive at work, I do my coworkers tell me that everything is fine. Later, I feel excited when the supervisor tell us that the we not good to do. Accompany routes. I am feeling proud when the report I see them and supervisor sends us a word. Finally, my shipping moment is where I start to leave. I am my co-workers a review early to life. Was because was made the shift and I did wake well.